Mastering the Art of Thin Teams, Understanding Skeleton Crew. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a very intriguing expression, skeleton crew. This phrase might conjure up images of pirates or Halloween, but its actual meaning and usage are deeply rooted in the modern workplace and beyond. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover the essence of operating with a skeleton crew. The term skeleton crew refers to the minimum number of people required to operate or maintain something, be it a ship, office, or any other entity, under functioning conditions. It's the bare-bones team needed to keep the operations running, often used in scenarios where full staffing is not possible due to various constraints like budget cuts, emergencies, or off-peak times. While the exact origin of skeleton crew is a bit murky, it's widely believed to stem from nautical terminology. Ships would sometimes have to sail with fewer crew members than ideally required, either due to sickness, desertion, or financial issues. This reduced crew, capable of keeping the ship afloat and navigating it safely, was referred to as a skeleton crew, highlighting the stripped-down nature of the team. Understanding the context and appropriateness of skeleton crew is key to using this phrase correctly. In the workplace, discussing reduced staff during holidays or low business periods. In emergencies, describing teams operating in disaster recovery or during unexpected crises. General use, any situation where the focus is on maintaining operations with minimal personnel. It's a versatile phrase that can be applied in various scenarios, making it a handy addition to your English linguistic arsenal. To help you grasp how to use skeleton crew in everyday conversations or writing, here are a few examples. Due to the holiday season, we're operating with a skeleton crew this week. After the hurricane, the first responders worked as a skeleton crew to provide immediate assistance. The late-night shift at the factory runs on a skeleton crew to ensure 24/7 operations. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, skeleton crew. We've seen how this expression is more than just a vivid imagery. It's a crucial concept in various sectors, symbolizing efficiency and adaptability in times of need. Hopefully, this video has shed light on the essence of skeleton crew and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, learning English is an adventure, and each new phrase enriches your journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.